a total mess. They're pulling up onto the coast line. You never do it. We're gonna have to get this guy's 30. Oh my God. We're gonna have to take care of this too if we get the insurance company to take care of this. He's hit it head on the street, head on, and it's the car's total. And he's cut up pretty good. I don't know. I hope so. Yeah, well, we'll find out. We'll find out. I don't know. This car's gone. I'm going to tow it to his house because he's got too much junk in it. Let him take all his stuff out. I don't know. We'll find out. Yeah, you tell me about it. All right, I'm going to pass the back of the
AJ, you got pencil paper?
In my car.
You good for it?
Can we wait till this is done? Because I'm recording this. They're taking him now?
Yeah, they're going to take him to Boston.
Okay. When we're done here, we'll meet him there?
Yeah, we'll go over there.
Okay.
I'm waiting for Nick to get here.
Yeah, I understand.
Lucky?
Yes, very lucky. Well, how the car looks and how he looks. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to help the car, Dad. Oh, look at it underneath. Look at that all fucked up underneath. That door doesn't close. Trust me, I tried that. Because he got hit harder on that side. It's gonna need to be like roped shut when we get back to the house.
What's wrong with Timo?
I don't know.
And he makes you mad too.